Finally, X, formerly known as Twitter. With 396 million users, X is all about real-time interaction. If your business thrives on immediate responses or you need to stay on top of trending topics, X is perfect. It's especially useful for industries like news, entertainment, and tech. For example, I worked with a tech startup that needed to engage with its audience quickly, especially when launching new updates. We used X to give real-time product updates, respond to user feedback, and participate in trending tech conversations. It allowed them to build a fast-moving, engaged community. Here are some key takeaways for you to jot down. X is great for businesses that need real-time engagement, such as news outlets, tech startups, or customer service-heavy industries. Use it to share updates, respond to customers, and engage in conversations. It's perfect for staying relevant in a fast-paced industry.